Welcome to my YouTube channel BSCAD. This is a very important tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we learn how to design a part assembly in industries. Okay, now we started. Before started, we discuss some point. Here is okay. Here is the point. If you are a design engineer, this tutorial is a very important for you. We will discuss in this tutorial. You never know by any CAD center, other center. Okay. Now in this tutorial, we discuss how to create a part in a SolidWork as a industry, as a design engineer. How to create a part in a SolidWork. Now how to update a property of part. Okay, this is a very important. Nobody tell you how importance of your property of your part. And third point is how to create a assembly design in a SolidWorks. How to update a assembly properties. Now last, how to create a bill of material of your assembly in a Excel sheet. Excel file. Now we started tutorial. Okay, before we starting, I will tell you, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon button for new video notification, and please share it. Your share help you to improve your and your friend information as a design engineer. Okay, now we started. First we create this part. Now we select a new path and a part. Okay, now we select the front plane, then take a line. Okay, now create a profile, vertical, horizontal, this profile. Select this point and the select line and take a midpoint constraint and select this line and apply equal constraint, and this line and apply equal constraint. Okay, here's the distance, dimension is 750. This is just a minute, this is 750. This is 750 and this is 75 and this is 25. Okay, the dimension of this line is automatically changed due to apply equal constraints. Okay, now exit sketch. To move in the sheet metal and a base flange tab, and select the profile and select up to a mid plane. This is a 2000. Okay, here we check it. The thickness is 3 mm and the radius is 3. Okay, then before we select OK, now take this is outside of your profile. Okay, then OK. Okay, here one part is completed. Before we saving, just flat it on flatten view, and now update his property. Click this file property and select the description. This is a front plate. Okay, apply the material. This is a plain carbon steel. Now we select the file property. Here we select the material, and next step we select the material, and here we select the weight of material. Okay, here we select the mass, and you can select it as per your part requirement, just like vendor has a various type of option in here. Just mean check by, can take any my name, who create a design. Okay, just ABCD. Okay, and okay, and save. Take the number, just like this is a 4. Okay, now we create a second part. Okay, and file, new part. Okay, and take a front plane. Okay, take a rectangle, and this value is this is a 750, this is 75. Okay, exit sketch, go in the feature and extrude command. This is a 10 mm. Okay, now take a fillet on the sharp edges, select all edges and take the radius, just a minute, this is, and the radius is 10, we selected this is a 5, and okay, okay, and now we select the face, sketch and normal view, create a slot, center, and this is a okay, then center point to this value is a 300, and the slot length is, this is 25, and the radius is a 3. Okay, the radius take a 4. Okay, 4.5. It is suitable for a M8 bolt. Okay, exit sketch and extrude cut, take a mirror, select top plane and select the cut extrude feature 1. Okay, and here we apply the material and save it, take the number. Okay, and now update the property, file property, and here select the description. Description is a side plate, okay, here is a select the material, and here is material, select weight and select mass, and okay, and save it. Now we create a last part, new file, part, we select the top plane. Okay, now we create a profile like this, and this horizontal vertical line, apply equal constraint and select the equal constraint horizontal 2 line and apply equal constraint. Now we select the point and the line, create a midpoint constraint. Okay, now this is a 75 and take it, this is 50, this is a 25. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Then exit sketch, take a sheet metal module, open and select the profile and check it, this is outside. Okay, now here is the select up to midplane and this is a 750. Okay, now take isometric view and apply material, this is a plain carbon steel. Now update the file property and this description, then description is a stiffener, plate. Okay, and the material, so we select the material just a minute. This is a material, you can check it. This is a plain carbon steel, and here's the weight, and select the mass, you can check it. This is a 3813.6 gram. Okay, then save, take a number. This is 6. Okay, now overall part is completed. Now we start the assembly. File, new, assembly. Okay, insert a first part. This is part number 4, and open it. Okay, this is automatically fit. Now before we insert another part, we select it and right click and select the float. Okay, now we open it and apply the mate between front plane and front plane. Okay, then insert top plane and top plane. Okay, third is the right plane and the right plane also. Okay, then the part is fully defined, shown here. Now we insert a side plate here and here is placed. Now insert, browse, and take the part number is 5, open it, select this face and this face and apply a constraint. Okay, and select this face or this face. Okay, now we select the top plane and the top plane of assembly and apply mate. Just a minute. Select this top plane and top plane of the assembly and apply mate. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Insert a next part. You can insert it or drag and drop it. Now press Ctrl and left click and release the mouse button. Okay, it copy the part. Now select this face and this face also and apply a mate. Okay, then okay, select OK. Select the top plane of the third part, second part. Okay, top and top plane and apply mate. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, okay, now insert a last part, and this is a 6. Insert it. Now we select this face and this face also and apply a mate. Okay, now take it. This is a select the top plane of this part and the top plane of the assembly and apply a mate. And okay, and now we select the right just a front plane of this part and the front plane of this and mate. We take a distance. This is a 333. Okay, 333 and okay, insert this part again, last part, open it and paste it. Now we select this face and this face and mate. Okay, select the top plane of this part and top plane of the assembly and okay, and sketch is underdefined. Okay, now select the front plane and the front plane of the assembly and distance, take a distance is a 333 and OK. Okay, then save it, take the number, this is a 7, okay, and isometric view, and update property, description is a right, select the description, this is a right, plate, material, here we select the material, and weight, just a minute, this is a weight, and here we select the mass, and okay, isometric view, save it, okay. Now we create a BOM in area, and here we select the top level and standard part. If you want to change it, you can change and select from this and the BOM out, and OK, and OK. Here we selected, this is a part number, descriptions, material, stock, we are not fill it, and weight of the part, vendor, and the quantity. Okay, now we change it in an Excel form, then select it, right click and save as in a Excel form, select a Excel and desktop and select the folder and take the number, just a 7 4 20, okay, and OK, and delete it and save. If you want to open it, then you can easy to open. Desktop, this is our Excel file. Okay, you can check it and try it. Definitely you learn a lot of information by this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. So please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button for new video notification and share it.